Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple clips in Davinci Resolve. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the Davinci Resolve software and here I have three clips which I wish to go and make into one. So come to the bottom of the Davinci and click on this edit page, and then what we need to do is select all of these. Easiest way to do that by just clicking and dragging, and as you can see, you can quickly go and select them. Once they are selected, they will be in red. Now what you need to do is right click on it, and we need to click on new compound click. As you can see, you need to go and type in a name. So by default it will just say compound clip, but you can name it anything. I will just go for this. I will press create, and as soon as you press create, all these three clips here are then going to be made into one, as you can see there. So that's pretty much it. That's how to merge multiple clips in Davinci Resolve. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.